Center strike. In basic position, the tip of your sword points to the throat or face level of your opponent. When you start to raise the sword, you first push down with the left hand to bring the blade closer to your body. Raise the sword over your head in a horizontal position with a flexible grip, where especially the left hand slightly opens. Strike downward in your center line. A very important element of all sword strikes is the shime movement at the moment of the intended impact. Shime means a tightening of the grip, like squeezing, which results in a slight bounce or snap of the blade when it reaches the target to cut. You combine the shime movement with a slight forward push with the right hand and a slight pull upwards with the left to cut effectively. Here you see again the flexible hands with slightly open palms while raising the sword over the head. This loose contact to the grip is necessary to execute the shime movement at the impact point of the strike. Like you put an apple on the tip of your sword. You don't want to lose the apple while raising the sword, but with your downward strike you want to throw the apple into the face of your opponent. When you practice strikes, you should always envision the actual application against an opponent. Although the center strike is meant to strike the head, it should be fully cut down to a horizontal position to strengthen the hips and make the strike as strong as possible. Remember, strike with a full spirit to cut a man. To practice the dynamic center strike, you step on spot to bring your body weight into the cut. After the cut, bring your balance to neutral. You have to train diligently.